Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the settings and configuration of the HTTP Custom VPN app. Whether you're completely new to VPNs or just looking to fine-tune your setup, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through everything from downloading the app to setting up multiple protocols like UDP Custom, SlowDNS, V2Ray, Psiphon, SSL SNI, OpenVPN. By the end of this video, you'll know how to browse securely and privately using each protocol. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by heading to the Google Play Store and searching for HTTP Custom VPN. Download and install the app on your Android device. Unfortunately, it's not available on iOS or Windows, but don't worry, you can still use the VPN by sharing your Android connection with those devices. Once installed, open the app and you'll land on the home screen. Step 2. To connect through various protocols, you'll need reliable servers. I recommend using the official UDP Custom website. They offer updated and stable servers for all supported protocols. Open any browser, search for UDP Custom, and navigate to the official website. Step 3. Back in the HTTP Custom app, tap the menu icon top right and choose Premium DP. Select UDP Custom Servers. Tap Choose Location, then fill in the form with your username and password, and hit Create Account. Once your server is created, copy the details IP, username, and password. Back in the app, check the UDP Custom box, paste the details into their fields, and tap Connect. Step 4. On the UDP Custom website, choose SlowDNS servers. Select a location, fill out the form, and click Create. Copy the server details. In HTTP Custom, check the SlowDNS box. Tap the plugin icon top right, go to SlowDNS Settings. Paste the name server and public key. Save and return to the home screen, then tap Connect. Step 5. V2Ray with SlowDNS. V2Ray is a secure protocol known for its flexibility and ability to maintain stable connections in regions with limited or restricted internet access. On the UDP Custom website, navigate to V2Ray plus SlowDNS servers. Create your server and copy the connection details. In the HTTP Custom app, enable both V2Ray and SlowDNS options. Tap the plugin icon, go to V2Ray settings and input the V2Ray details. Then go to SlowDNS settings, paste the name server and public key. Save and connect. Step 6. On UDP Custom, select Psiphon servers, create your server, and copy the Psiphon key. In the app, check Psiphon. Tap the plugin icon Psiphon settings. Select the protocol type all OR specific. Set your region. Paste the Psiphon key. Save and hit Connect. Step 7. On the UDP Custom site, go to SSH Servers SSH tunnel. Create your server and copy the details. In HTTP Custom, check the SSL box. Tap the menu icon SNI Settings, then paste a valid SNI like a domain. Save and tap Connect. Step 8. On the UDP Custom site, go to SSH Servers OpenVPN. Create your server and download the configuration file. Choose TCP, UDP, or SSL. In HTTP Custom, go to Menu VPN Settings. Tap the and icon and import the OpenVPN config file. After importing, tap Connect. And that's it. You've now configured HTTP Custom VPN with a wide range of protocols, UDP Custom, SlowDNS, V2Ray, Psiphon, SSL SNI, OpenVPN. You're all set to browse securely and privately with whichever protocol suits your needs. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more VPN and tech guides. And drop a comment if you have any questions. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.